Hello students, good morning. This is the summary part of chapter number 8. As it was very long, we have studied many things inside it. So let us revise what we have studied in chapter number 8. Right? So what we studied firstly, that different animals move from one place to another in many different ways, like walking, running, flying, jumping, crawling, swimming. These are the few ways in which different animals move. Then we studied about bones and cartilage. Bones, they are very hard, they cannot bend, while cartilage are not as hard as bones, they can move, right? Then the muscles which helps them to move. Muscles are there which help the bones to move. Then we studied about joints, a place where two parts of our body seem to be joined together, like elbow, shoulder, neck. These are all called joints. A place where two bones join together. This is called a joint. There are different types of joints in our body. We have seen about a ball and a socket joint. Give me examples of ball and socket joint in your body. It is a hip, a shoulder, and ankle joints, right? These are ball and a socket joints. Next is pivotal joints. What are pivotal joints? How much they can move? What are pivotal joints? Revise it fast and tell me. They can rotate. What are pivotal joints? How much they can rotate? Okay, what about ball and a socket joint? वो कितना move कर सकते हैं? How much they can move? They can rotate. Yes, they can rotate fully. Then pivotal joint, it allows us to move forward and backward, left and right. Right, these are pivotal joints. And give me the examples of pivotal joints. A joint between neck and head. You can move upward, you can move backward, you can move left and right your head, right? It does not allow free rotation like ball and a socket joint. Ball and a socket, there is a free rotation. पूरा घुमा सकते हैं जिस joint को, that is a ball and a socket joint. Then the pivotal joint, जो upward, downwards, left, right इतना ही move कर सकते हैं, that joint is called pivotal joint. Then comes the hinge joints. What are hinge joints? Which can move only, yes, in two directions. These are hinge joints. Move back and forward and backward just in two directions. Like the door. They are called hinge joints. What is example? You can say our elbow, our knee, that are hinge joints. Then fixed joints. Means there are joints, but it cannot move. They are called the fixed joints, right? Like the skull joints in our skull. They are fixed joints. They cannot move. Then the skeleton. What is the skeleton? A complete, yes, structure of bones, joints, cartilage, the framework which gives shape to our body. This is called a skeleton. Then how many bones are there in a skeleton? How can you know? Okay, how many bones are there in a rib cage? 12 pairs on both sides, means 24 ribs, right? And what does it protect? It protects the heart and the lungs. Then the backbone, your spinal cord, it has 33 vertebrae, right? And it is, yes, it gives the main support and very helpful, you can say essential for the movement of our body. अगर स्पाइनल कॉर्ड में इंजरी हो जाती है ना, योर बॉडी कैन नॉट मूव, so it is very important for movement. Then the skull, it contains 22 bones. Mostly all are joined together. Only the lower jaw can move. Rest other bones in the skull cannot move. And it protects the very important part of our body, that is the mind. Yes, right? Then we have seen about shoulder bones, which is made up of pelvic bones, right? And then we have seen about the gait of different animals. How does an earthworm move? How does a snail move? Then cockroach, it can walk, it can climb, also it can fly. It have 3 pairs of legs and 2 pairs of wings. Then about birds, they can walk and fly, right? Their body structure is like that. Their 4 limbs are modified as wings so that they can fly. Then about fish, streamlined body shape with fins which help them to swim in water. Lastly, about snakes, it makes loops and can move. It has a long backbone, right? So this was all about chapter 8 which we studied. Now you can easily complete the exercise in your workbook of chapter number 8. Thank you.